Yo, 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 yo. Is this your recording? I pray it is. Okay. Uh, we'll delete all of this and post edit. What's good, YouTube? How you doing? It's been a minute, right? Before we go and explain why, because I'm not gonna do that in this video, we gonna hop back into the trade. You feel me? So check me out. Last night, we took this trade right here. We took both of these trades last night. But to understand why I took this and lost on this, you need to understand this over here. And let me go and help you. So the night before last night, right? We can delete this box because I was only using it to find it. Since we're on a 15-minute time frame, this is an M pattern. I wanted to go ahead and draw it, but my mouse is ass. I wanted price to come back to this M pattern when market opened here. You feel me? We pushed up, we came down, pushed up, came down. I did not take the small time frame M. The trade was gonna look like this if I took it, but I wanted this. I had a limit order sitting here and everything. I didn't take this trade simply because I wanted a retest. Right? All of this happened and basically threw me for a loop. I was emotional at that point. This trade now came from the emotions of not taking this trade. You feel me? Make sure. All right. So here's the original plan. Price was supposed to come up into here, and I was supposed to take a sell, either there or supply and demand traders take it like this. You feel me? Trade would have played out for me. But instead of doing that, I seen this and said this looked like how this was forming, so more than likely we should sell. All right? And so I dropped to a smaller time frame, had a box over here, basically tried to sell it. As you can see, didn't go my way. This trade almost ruined my night. I let emotions from the trade I missed the previous day influence my decision, and it cost me 240 on one account, 340 on the next. But instead of revenge trading, I stopped. I deleted everything off my chart, and I realized my bias was wrong, and I went with the right bias. So then I switched over to here. I redrew everything, all right? Matter of fact, this is the area. I'm gonna show you exactly what I seen. You see how we came up here? I wanted this retest, and we never got it. So I didn't take it, all right? So we come here. I want this retest. We definitely did get it, but I anticipated price to just sell from here. Let me delete this real quick. Market open here. I had a box drawn up like this. I saw a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Entry was right here. All right. Of course, I got in, a little bit of profit, stopped out. All right. Stop loss above the highs. Right. Okay. So now we pushed up here. I went, did my chart work, came back over here on the 20. I said, okay, let's make common sense. I'm not selling until we break these lows. And in doing that, when I came back here, what did I see? Came up, came down, head and shoulders that I lost. W, aggressive push up. Neckline retest of that aggressive push up. You feel me? What does that mean? We should buy from here. Entry here. Wrote it up for 200 ticks. You see? So why did I switch my bias? Is the big question. How did I switch my bias? How do I see what I see? So I'm going to show you guys now. Let's take this box. I came here and I drew a box. All right? Then I came here and I drew another box. All right? Let's color them. All right? And then I came here and I drew another box. Right? And out of all these boxes, what do we have in common? None of them were lower than the previous low. You can do that like that. You can put it here. You feel me? So putting my big boy pants on, what does that mean? We're not selling until one of these are broken, right? But if none of them are being broken, why was I selling? You feel me? So that's how my bias shifted. So then I swapped over to the 20 chart. Let's delete this one. And now that we know no lows are breaking, it should not be breaking on the 20 chart as well. See? These lows are respected. This is the equivalent to the 15-minute, by the way. These lows are respected. This low. This low. Like, are you seeing what I'm saying now? As a current, we're still respecting a low. So once I started to understand that, then I knew the bias shift. We were right here, and I took my trade hip here and just let it run. But this is my trade right here. When I could have keep front running it all night. Uh, That's all I wanted to let y'all know. I'll show y'all my win and my loss today. We'll do more. I wanted to place a trade today. We'll see. But the way price is currently looking after news, it got to fall in my lap for me to take a trade. Whew. But thank you. Have a great rest of your day.